update on the previous kidnapping that occurred in Humboldt County, California. The suspect, George Rose, and the victim, Joy Hong, have both been located safely. Therefore, the alert has been canceled. Repeating, an update to the earlier kidnapping that occurred in Humboldt County, California. The suspect, George Rose, and the missing, Joy Hong, have both been located safely. Therefore, the alert has been canceled. Thank you.
Hey, how's it going, y'all? South Texas Elevators, EAS here. And we're going to be catching some alerts on WDFA. And I'm going to be counting them. I'll explain why, and the reason is, according to Derpy Fire Alarms, the alerts on WDFA are official and real. So, and let me tell you a little how WDFA works. So what she's using is a digital alert systems DASDEC2, the same kind of encoder that, you know, Spectrum, KGNS, KYLX, I don't know, KQR, I don't really know if KQR actually uses a DASDEC. But I do know that KGNS and KYLX and Spectrum use DASDECs. And what this thing will log, and the alert will come in like approximately like 12 seconds after the alert is logged. And look, there's my Sanjian Seal 100. The Sanjian Seal 100 in this picture is this Sanjian Seal 100. Just something I was just like wanted to point out.
This is a required weekly test. This is only a test. Renville County. Law enforcement is on scene looking for suspect that is considered armed and dangerous. Please shelter in your homes and businesses with doors locked. Contact 911 for suspicious activity.
It's Microsoft David. Well, look, at 11:11. Civil authority has issued a law enforcement warning. This is the second law enforcement warning I've ever caught. Remember that first law enforcement warning from DPS? This is my second law enforcement warning. And here's the same code. Right over here. Okay, we're gonna continue on and see what we get on the next one.
This is the Clallam County Sheriff's Office Emergency Management Section conducting a test of the emergency alert system. In the event of an emergency, this system would bring you important information. The following tones will conclude this test.
Where is the flash flood watch? I guess that answers my question.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch in effect through late tonight. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has expanded the flash flood watch to include portions of north central Maryland, northwest Virginia, and Panhandle, West Virginia, including the following areas: in north central Maryland, Washington; in northwest Virginia, Clark, Frederick, Shenandoah, and Warren; in Panhandle, West Virginia, Berkeley, Jefferson, and Morgan; Through late tonight, numerous slow-moving showers and thunderstorms continue to develop across the region and should expand and redevelop with time. Locations which are repetitively affected could receive multiple-inch rainfall totals. This could lead to rapid rises on streams and flash flooding of low-lying areas. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued.
Flash flood warning from Sterling.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from Drum Point, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland, Pawtucket River to Brooms Island, Maryland, Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island, Tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 4:30 p.m. At 2:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles southwest of Westmoreland State Park to 10 nautical miles northwest of Irvington, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Breton Bay, Cooper Island Light, Southwest Middle Grounds, Tuckle Creek, Swan Point, Colton Point, St. George Island, Point No Point, Calvert Cliffs, The Targets, Richland Point Buoy. Occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. In Pennsylvania, including the following areas: in New Jersey, Atlantic, coastal Cape and May, coastal Atlantic, coastal